Mayor Balendra Shah from Kathmandu, Nepal will bring an Asian perspective, and a particular one in a city that has many challenges, including on housing. Maybe you will also have views about innovation and collaboration to tackle this crisis of homeless. And also
thank you so much. Listening to all the panelists out there. So it's South Asian actually. So South Asian problems and problem with other cities all over the world seems to be really different, because not much people in our country and the cities are actually landless or homeless, but they are migrating from other cities, other VDCs to capital city. Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal, so our approach is to find the root cause for it.
काठमाडौँ महानगरका मेयर बालेन शाहले ब्राजिलमा दिएको अभिव्यक्तिले अहिले विश्व तरङ्गित भएको छ। मेट्रोपोलिस सम्मेलनमा ब्राजिलमा सहभागी जनाएका काठमाडौँ महानगरपालिकाका मेयर बालेन शाहले नेपालका विभिन्न सहरसँग सहकार्य र सिपको समन्वय गरिएको बताएका छन्। उक्त सम्मेलनमा बोल्ने क्रममा उनले काठमाडौँ महानगरले आयोजना गरेको सिप मेलाको विषयमा पनि व्याख्या गरेका थिए।
We are coming from some districts, some other districts. Obviously, the citizenship designates the place they live. So most of the people, they have their lands, but in their villages. They have their house, but in villages, but other cities. So we try to, obviously, the homeless people who does not have anything all over the country, we try to collaborate with NGOs and other institutions for the fooding and shelter for those. But for those people who are just coming to capital city for job opportunity, we try to train them. We use some skill festivals, train them with plumbing, electrician, housing construction and cookeries, so that they can get job opportunities. They can create small business in their own cities, their own villages, and also most of the people are migrating to some developed countries as well.
हामी अन्य सहरसँग सिपको समन्वयमा लाग्यौं। काठमाडौँ राजधानीको सहर भएको र धेरै ठाउँबाट मानिस श्रमको खोजी गर्न आउने हुँदा त्यस्तो अवसर मिलोस् भनेर सिपको सहकार्य गरेका हौं, बालेनले भने। सिप सिकेका मानिसहरू स्वरोजगार बन्न सकुन् भन्ने एउटा धारणा रहेको बताएका बालेनले धेरै मानिस श्रमको खोजीमा नेपाल बाहेकका देशका सहरमा पुग्ने हुँदा त्यहाँ पनि सहज होस् भन्ने काठमाडौँ महानगरको लक्ष्य रहेको बताए। दक्षिण एसियाका देशमा फरक फरक संस्कृति रहेको बताउँदै उनले भने, हाम्रो देशमा 136 भाषा छन्, विभिन्न प्रकारका आफ्ना संस्कृति छन्, त्यसको उन्नयनका निम्ति पनि महानगर अग्रसर छ।
Also, South Asian countries have their culture. Like our country have 126 languages and different cultures. So evacuating a city and coming to capital city does not evacuate the people, it evacuates the culture as well. It evacuates the language as well. It evacuates the cultural events, festivals, everything. So to preserve the culture, to preserve the heritage, to preserve the intangible and tangible heritages in all the cities outside the capital, we need to preserve the people out there. So we need to preserve their population. So we are promoting in collaborating with them to promote their economy rather than focusing on our city and inviting the people all over the country. Yeah, thank you.